Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring sync and capture work. First, turn on iCloud for reminders so items stay across devices. Then open reminders and create core lists like work, personal, errands. Make one your default list so new items go there automatically. Next, enable Siri access. Say, "Remind me to call John at 3 p.m. Once done, test a quick voice capture to confirm items appear in the default list immediately. Now focus on structure and automation. Add tags to tasks, for example hash project or hash urgent, then create smart lists that pull items by tag, date, or priority so you see what matters. Break big tasks into subtasks and assign priorities, dates, repeat rules, and attachments to keep context together. Use location and time triggers for hands-free alerts, and link key reminders to calendar or shortcuts for notifications and cross-app workflows. Make sure each list has a clear purpose. This reduces noise. Finish by doing a quick review routine. Sweep completed items, reschedule what's delayed, and file anything that belongs elsewhere. Share lists and assign specific tasks to contacts when you need collaboration. Make sure permissions are set so assignees can edit. After organizing, set a weekly cleanup to archive or delete stale reminders. If reminders fail to sync or alerts don't show, troubleshoot by toggling iCloud reminders off and back on. Sign out /N of your Apple ID and verify network connectivity. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.